Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to change your email address on Coinbase. Keep watching the video till the end and follow the steps as shown in it. Also, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Open up a web browser to begin. Log into your Coinbase account by typing in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Log into your Coinbase account by clicking on the sign in button in the upper right hand corner and entering your credentials. Once you're in to your Coinbase account, click on your profile icon at the upper right hand corner. Click Settings from the pop-up. Right where it says Email Address, erase the current email address and type in the new address that you'd like to change to. Click on Save after you are done typing it in. Once you click on Save, you'll need to go ahead and open up your email service provider and verify that you've changed your email address. Once you do that, you'll be able to change your email address for Coinbase. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.